Hello and welcome. This is Code Tech Vikas. In this series, you can be zero to expert in JS. Actually, learning JS is a great choice. Without wasting too much time, let's enter into the course of JS series. Okay, what is JavaScript? JavaScript is a high-level object-oriented programming language, which means it supports principle of OOP. It helps developers to create reusable and organized code. Similarly, lightweight and interpreted. JavaScript is a lightweight, which means it doesn't need any heavy resources to run. And interpreted means it runs or executes line by line without needs of compilation. Another point, scripting language for web pages. JavaScript language adds web pages, which makes web pages interactive animations and dynamic content. Single threaded. JavaScript runs a single thread, which means it can process one task at a time. However, it can handle asynchronous operations using callback, promises, and async wait. Okay, let's get a simple example for this. Open any browsers for this. For me, I have Chrome browsers and open inspect inspect tools for developers. You can use any browsers. Okay, go to the JS console developers. Stop it. Okay, I have to simple like alert earlier alert open. Okay, what is going? Double quotes. Hello, sorry. WRLD. Hello world. Closing parenthesis. Enter. It shows hello world's alert. Okay, we can do more test here. It's actually the testing for developers. It's not we means we don't do any real programming code here. It's just for testing for developers. Like we can let x equals to strings I am really playing. That's it. Enter. Now if x equals to I sorry I am really and playing closing close parenthesis really alert. It's fun. Close. Enter. It says it's fun. If x is equal to this string, then it shows it alerts it's fun. Okay. Close. Now we can also mathematical operations do we can also do mathematical operations like adding, subtraction, division, any others like 1 plus, 2 plus 4, 6, 8 into 2, 16. Like this, we can do many other things. It's just a developer tools. We have elements, console, storage, network. We can talk later about this. Okay, that's all. We can we can talk more about JavaScript in later coming videos. Till then, happy coding. Bye.